You need to hear this if you're an investor looking to safeguard your wealth. These 10 strategies will set you up for long-term success. Effective wealth preservation isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it. Let's dive into the essential strategies every investor should know. First up, diversification. Spread your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Next, reinvestment. Reinvest your profits to fuel growth. Let your money work for you. Third, asset protection. Use legal strategies to shield your wealth from potential threats. Safety first. Fourth, estate planning. Ensure smooth wealth transfer to your heirs. Plan today to protect tomorrow. Number 5, tax strategies. Employ tax-efficient methods to minimize liabilities. Keep more of what you earn. Sixth, professional management. Hire experts to manage your investments. Trust the pros. Seventh, market monitoring. Regularly keep an eye on market trends. Stay informed, stay ahead. Eighth, maintenance. Keep your properties in good shape to preserve their value. A stitch in time saves 9. Ninth, education. To continuously educate yourself on new investment strategies. Knowledge is power. Finally, long-term goals. Focus on your long-term financial objectives. Vision today, victory tomorrow. Implementing these strategies will ensure long-term financial stability and growth. Diversify, reinvest, and protect your assets. Plan your estate, manage taxes, and trust professionals. Monitor the market, maintain properties, and stay educated. Focus on your goals and secure a prosperous future. Your wealth, your future. Start preserving it today.